French seams, a super clean finish without any visible raw edges because they're all in here. So let's have a look at how that works.
A French seam encloses the raw edge inside the seam itself. It's created by first stitching wrong sides together with a narrow seam. For this little sample, I will make the narrow seam with the wrong sides facing 0.6 cm, 1/4 of an inch wide. Reverse at the end, and then let's press this little seam open. And with calico, it's very easy to just finger press it, so no need to actually use the iron. Once we've pressed it open, we want to flip it so that the right sides are now facing. Grab that edge and make it nice and clean with your fingers again, or with the iron, obviously, if you have another type of fabric. So now comes the next seam. This is 1 cm 3/8 of an inch, and this is the one that locks the raw edge inside of the seam allowance. Press to set everything now with the iron, and we can press it open so you can see the right side. If little threads are sticking out through the seam, no worries, just snip them off. And then on the wrong side, there's this little sausage, tunnel, however you want to call it, and this is our seam allowance, and it's gorgeously enclosed.